What is the Hulu Live TV channel list lineup? In this video, I'm going to be quickly walking you through on what is the lineup of the channel list of Hulu TV nowadays. So obviously, as you know, Hulu TV is one of the most top watched and top used TV shows and TV show provider. So what we are going to be doing is we're going to be seeing the channel lineup and list currently on Hulu Live TV. So on Hulu Live TV, this is the channel list lineup where it gives you access to more than 85 networks. So you have all these: A&E, ABC, ABC News Live, ACC Network, Adult Swim, Animal Planet, BET, Big Ten Network, Bloomberg Television, Bravo, Cartoon Network, CBS, and it just keeps going on and on and on. So it goes alphabetically on this, and you can just go ahead and see this on tvguide.com. Same goes with any sports and add-on channels with packages. All you want is presented over here. So this is the Hulu Live TV channel list lineup for 2024. You can go ahead and check it out on tvguide.com if you want to, or you can just pause the video per frame and just check all the channels that are in this. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.